Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Point. In our today's video, we will learn about nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So let us move ahead without any wait. We know that the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given by x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. We have derived this formula in our previous video. You can go through it. Now, everything depends on the value of b square minus 4ac under the square root. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we get two distinct real roots, which are given by minus b plus b square minus 4ac under the root over 2a and minus b minus b square minus 4ac under the square root over 2a. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to minus b over 2a plus minus 0, which is same as x is equal to minus b over 2a or x is equal to minus b over 2a. So, the roots of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are both minus b over 2a. These roots are also known as repeated roots. Third case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative, then there is no real number whose square is b square minus 4ac. Therefore, in this case, there are no real roots. So, the given quadratic equation in this case, since b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has real roots or not, so we call b square minus 4ac as the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is positive. Two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, no real roots. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative. Let us consider some examples. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 and hence find the nature of its roots. Let us try to solve it. The given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. When we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. Now, we will find the discriminant, which is given by the formula b square minus 4ac. Now, let us put the values of a, b and c. b is negative 4. So, negative 4 whole square minus 4 multiply a is equal to 2. Multiply c is equal to 3. Now, let us simplify it. What is the square of minus 4? It is plus 16. 4 multiply 2, that is 8. 8 multiply 3, that is 24. 16 minus 24, which is nothing but equal to minus 8. So, what do you see? D is equal to minus 8. That means it is less than 0. And when D is negative, then roots are not real. So, we write here roots do not exist. Let us understand it with the help of another example. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist using the quadratic formula. Now the given equation is 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 2. We will first find discriminant b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 5 square minus 4 multiply 3 multiply 2. The square of minus 5 is plus 25. 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 into 2, that is 24, which comes out equal to 1. Now you see that d is greater than 0, and when d is positive, then roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Let us find these roots. Now, the first root is given by x is equal to minus b plus square root of d divided by 2a, which is equal to minus 5 plus square root of 1 divided by 2 multiply 3. Minus minus will become plus, so plus 5. Square root of 1 is 1, so it becomes 5 plus 1 divided by 2 multiply 3, which is 6. So 6 divided by 6, which comes out equal to 1. Therefore, the first root is x is equal to 1. Let us find the second root as well. Second root is given by minus b minus root d divided by 2a minus minus 5 minus square root of 1 divided by 2 multiply 3, which is 5 minus 1 divided by 6, which is equal to 4 divided by 6. And on simplifying, we get x is equal to 2 over 3. So x is equal to 1 and x equal to 2 by 3 are the real roots of this quadratic equation. Let us consider the second equation, x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. Let us find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b is 4, so 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 20, which is equal to minus 4. So that means d is less than 0, that is negative. And when d is less than 0, we say that real roots do not exist. Or in other words, we can say it has no real roots. Let us consider one more equation. 2x square minus 2 root 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2 root 2 and c is equal to 1. Let us find the discriminant b square minus 4ac minus 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 multiply 2 multiply 1. What is the square of minus 2 root 2? Let us find it. Minus 2 root 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 root 2 multiply minus 2 root 2. So minus cancel with minus. 2 multiply 2, that is equal to 4. Root 2 multiply with root 2, which is equal to 2. And when we multiply 4 and 2, we get 8. So that means the square of minus 2 root 2 is 8. Minus 4 into 2 into 1, that is also 8. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So that means D is equal to 0. And whenever D is equal to 0, we say that roots are real and equal. Now, let us find the equal roots. In this case, the equal roots are given by x is equal to minus b over 2a each, minus minus 2 root 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus minus will cancel out. So 2 root 2 divided by 2, which is equal to root 2. Therefore, x is equal to root 2 and x is equal to root 2 are the two real roots of this quadratic equation. So hope you understand how to determine the nature of roots of a quadratic equation using the discriminant and also to find the real roots if exist. So thank you for watching my video. In our next video, we will solve some problems based on the quadratic equations. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.